Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. I'm CHHUOY again, and today I will review what is inside the battery. And a lot of questions they always ask, what is inside this battery? So today we will check it out. What is inside in Oppo batteries? And the tool we are gonna use with that, we use platinum laser blade here, and this clipper. Okay, now we're gonna check it out what is inside the batteries. So now first I think that today I will clear you what is look like inside. And now we're gonna take out this part of plastic here, and then we need to take that out, all of the plastic. It look like very thick plastic, and I am very sorry to my bad English too, because I am not American or not an Australia or not anything. I live in Cambodia now. So you have to remove all of this sticker part, the plastic part here, and okay, and you should be keeping this one tear it out. And we're gonna use the scissors to cut it. Okay, here's the scissors. Now we're gonna cut that, and one more part. Okay, and I will keep this for another tip explain. And now we're gonna see inside. You have to remove all of this part, this plastic part first, and the part of the bottom of the batteries, and it look like that. It's something look like that here. It is and make sure that you have be using your gloves to avoid from dangerous burning from the batteries. So it could be very dangerous for children, so don't try this at home. And you have to use it like that, in just stick it like that. It is a cover here. It is the covers, outside cover, so you need to take it out like this. Okay, now we remove the cover here. It looks like there is nothing inside, guys, but it can be a very bad smell now, and you need to tear it all along the ways, along the outside, just like that. Tear it like that. Okay, here's the covers. Okay, it smells very bad, so you need to use move your nose away from it, and you're gonna need to tear it off like that. The battery is broken. They have no energy inside that. Okay, here it is. Okay, it is very bad smell. I cannot stand with that smell. Okay, take it up like that. It is an inserting part to this place. We don't know what is that, why they are inserting with this place, but we need to cut it out like that. Okay, now we're gonna cut it, and you can see now something that is it burned. This battery is all these broken, so they have no power inside it. And here is the we can open. It look like everything just a sticker or part of plastic that have been using inside. And here is the way that you can open from one layer to the other layers. It look like that. It nothing special here. Now you can see there's nothing special inside it. So, but the have smell is very bad. Smell is very bad. And here okay, it nothing here. It look like there is nothing, guys. This battery is nothing inside. So why it is but it can be hot if it have a power inside it. It can be hot, and sometimes it can be burn your hand. So before you open it, you need to clean up your hand with shampoo or anything. It look like hot now. It's starting hot. Okay, it is hot now. It's starting to hot, and there is nothing inside. Now you can check it out. Here is the inside part of the batteries. There is nothing to see. It look like this. It look like that. And here is the outside. Here is the outside of the battery part. So there is nothing, but it's still hot now. It's still hot. It you will with the part of the plastics, and okay. So be careful with your hand. It can be very hot because everything inside this have been mixing a lot of I don't know what the English called, but it can be dangerous for you, because when you have a battery inside, when you have a power inside it can be very hot and burning when you do like this. So thing that you don't need to do is don't try this on the paper place or on the other place that can burn everything. So you must put it on the floor or on the and stay away from other thing that can burn, like gasoline or anything. Just stay away from it before you take it on, and make sure that you have no power inside. It means that you have less power inside to open it. So here is the insiders of this battery. It's a part of the plastic here. So I think all is done with the insiders of Oppo batteries. There is nothing. So thank you for watching my video tutorial.